Are you looking for the best air sanders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best air sanders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Goplus Air Palm Random Orbital Sander. The Goplus Air Palm Random Orbital Sander comes with an efficient speed regulator that would enable you to control the operating speed, 10,000 RPM, to match the nature of your project. It has a vibration to increase users' comfort while working on large projects. It is lightweight, meaning, you would hardly experience hand fatigue even when you are working in a large area. It is flexible and easy to operate. From furniture, car body to metalwork, soldering, welding, and other areas that require sanding. It delivers semi-fine grinding, rough grinding, cutting, and grooving. It comes with an ergonomic grip for absolute control and maximum comfort. If you are looking for a rugged and not too complicated air sander, the Goplus Air Palm Random Orbital Sander is a force to reckon with. At number 4, ZFE1, 2/3 inch Random Orbital Air Sander. If you want to give your project a superb finishing, the ZFE1, 2/3 inch Random Orbital Air Sander is a force to reckon with. This air sander comes with at least 15 buffing pads, 3 backing plates, 18 sandpapers, and 1 screwdriver. This gives you a wide range of sandpaper to choose from depending on the nature of your project. Whether you are working on a delicate wood or metal, this model has got you covered. It is designed with a speed of 15,000 revolutions per minute. However, it has a speed regulator to help you keep the speed in check. This model is also ideal for removing the dust, solder joints, sanding focus areas, woodwork, deburring furniture, mold manufacturing, detailing work, polishing automotive, and other inaccessible areas. It is very easy to clean and maintain. Plus, the dust collection system is great. At number 3, Valiant 6 inches Professional Air Random Orbital Palm Sander. The Valiant 6 inches Professional Air Random Orbital Palm Sander is specifically designed for professionals and expert carpenters or woodworkers. That doesn't in any way mean you cannot play around with it if you are a DIY enthusiast. Just like other models on the market, it is designed with a speed regulator to enable you to control the output whether you are sanding vertical or overhead projects. The good news is that you can operate this model with only one hand, plus, it can be used for sanding, waxing, polishing, grinding, and cutting. It is a universal sanding machine built to deliver the best performance. It comes with a maximum air pressure of 90 psi. This will enable you to complete multiple projects in less time. It uses a double rotation sanding method to make the sanding or polishing smooth throughout the project. At number 2, Ingersoll Rand 317G Edge Series HighSpeed Air Sander. By now, we believe you already know that Ingersoll Rand is a brand to reckon with when it comes to producing air compressor systems, industrial, and power tools. If you are looking for an air sander to be used for hard-to-reach areas or small jobs, the Ingersoll Rand 317G Edge Series high-speed air sander was designed for that. It is perfect for light sanding and would give you an excellent result. It is also perfect for rust removal and feather edging. The performance is not in doubt in anyhow, as other tools produced by Ingersoll Rand are tested and trusted. It comes in different sizes of sandpaper. If the sandpaper doesn't match your project requirement, you can get any sandpaper from the market and attach it to this unit. It would work perfectly. You can also adjust the speed to minimize the consumption of air. At number 1, Professional Air Random Orbital Palm Sander. Seeking an air sander that you can use for all kinds of metal works? Seek no further. The Professional Air Random Orbital Palm Sander comes in handy. The speed can go as far as 12,000 revolutions per minute. It is designed with a regulator to help you achieve a regulated speed in case you are faced with delicate projects. It comes with a motorized air assembly for overhead and vertical sanding operations. The body is made of composite plastic, which makes it lightweight and can be carried around with its sturdy handle. It delivers an average of 90 psi in pressure and will serve you for as long as you want. Just signed a deal to polish large metal, rusts, and welding slag projects? Not to worry, this brand has got you covered. It will enable you to complete large projects in less time. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.